Dr. Vaishali Sangule. I'm a practicing ENT surgeon in Navi, Mumbai. I'm a clinical neurologist practicing in specialty of vertigo since the last 15 years. Vertigo is a disorder of altered sensorium. It is one of the very commonly complained symptoms. The underlying pathology can lie in major of the cases in inner ear conditions. Few examples are benign positional paroxysmal vertigo, vestibular migraine, Meniere's disease, vestibular neuritis. A few of the central disorders also present very commonly with dizziness like stroke or transient ischemic episodes.
The various positional tests which are carried are the Salpike test, in which the side to be tested, suppose this is the right side of the patient, is lowered quickly to 30 degree, neck extended and got back immediately to the first position. Head position test, the positions which are tested are your right, your left, pitch forward, which is the same as if trying to tie a shoelace. Pitch backward, a position taken while looking at the ceiling. Pitch forward and backward test stimulate the horizontal and posterior semicircular canal. Roll right, roll left are likely to be because of BPPV more sensitive for horizontal semicircular canals. In Eppler's maneuver for posterior canal BPPV, the patient's head is moved into 4 different directions. For right Eppler's, head is turned 45 degrees to the right. Patient is then made quickly lie back, keeping his head turned to 45 degrees. Patient's head is then turned 90 degrees to the left without raising it. The head and the body is turned another 90 degrees to the left till the nose faces the ground. Finally, the patient is made to sit up on the left and got down with a small jump. Anterior canal BPPV is treated with Giacomini maneuver. It consists of 4 steps with 30 seconds interval. The patient is brought from the sitting to supine position with the head extended 30 degree backwards. Then the head is tilted forward with an inclination of 45 degree. Another added inclination so that the chin is in contact with the chest. And finally the patient returns to the sitting position. Right Guffoni head is turned 45 degrees to the right. Patient is then made quickly lie on his right shoulder so that the occipital region of his head touches the bed, and then proceed to 45 degree nose down. At every position, the patient is held for 30 seconds.